If you want to add a fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S25, then first of all go to the settings, scroll down to lock screen and AOD, and then choose screen lock and biometrics. Enter your password, and if you don't have a password, you will need to set it up first, and after that go to fingerprints. Press continue and then register. Over here in the middle, well, not in the middle, but here on this spot you will see this fingerprint. We need to touch it with our finger that we wish to use to unlock our device. Most likely you want to use a thumb, and then simply touch with that finger and then lift it up. Try to touch the sensor from different angles so that every side of your finger is actually scanned and you don't have any issues in the future with unlocking your phone. So try to cover as much as possible because it will be working better if you do so. And of course we need to reach 100%, and there we go. Now at this point you can either add another scan, so you can scan the same finger again, or you can use another finger, or you can simply press done and proceed, and this is what we're gonna do. Now over here we have fingerprints settings where we can find our fingerprint. Over here we can remove it, we can add another one, we can check added fingerprints, and we also have some additional settings here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!